Hello, this is Sarah Emery. Today I bring you a short and sweet tip for options related to setting up terms with early pay discounts. So I have here an invoice in a demo environment. It's $200 invoice, and I have it set up to have early pay discount terms of 2% 10 net 30. So if I go to this customer record and click accept payment, my expectation would be that this customer would have a discount available of $4 for the 2% early pay discount. However, what I noticed when I pull up that same invoice here, it's only $2.83. Same goes for the line above. Looking at a $1,200 invoice, my discount available is only $22.50. Reason is that the discount terms have been set up to exclude the shipping costs. So this is an option that you have. You're seeing something like this in your account, or conversely, if you want to see something like this in your account, the way that you can adjust this setting is to go to Setup, Accounting Preferences. And then right on this first tab under the Accounts Receivable section, I have two options for term discounts. The first is include tax. That one is checked, but you'll notice the one to include shipping is not. I'm going to make that adjustment. Click Save. And I'm going to refresh this page. Now in this load, I see I have an even 2% discount on the total invoice. So that is a very short and sweet tip, very quick, but hopefully you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.